Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen. I do subscription box reveals or unboxings and makeup hauls. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified of all of my future videos. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at around 2 p.m. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment on any ideas you may have for future content. So we're going to get right into today's video, and this is a Target beauty box for the holidays. And this box is the Best of Boots cosmetic set. And I'll show you the box. Here's the box. And this was $9.99 here in the US with a value of over $24. And I'm assuming Boots is a probably a similar type store in the UK or in Europe. I'm not really sure. I've heard of it, but I think it's basically a UK type of store. So in this box, you have how many items? 5 beauty items. And we'll start, and I'll just bring over. I took this out just because sometimes it's hard to. Here, we'll stand this up. Hard to get the items out. So the first item that we'll start with is here. And this is from a company called Number 7. And this is Restore and Renew. And this is Face, Neck Multiplication. And this is a serum. So this is 0.16 ounces. So this is a small sample size, but that's okay. So we have a serum from Number 7. And then a little bit larger of a sample. This is 0.33 fluid ounces. And this is also from Number 7. And this is from Airbrush Away. And this is a primer. And it says hypoallergenic. And I did try that out just on my hand because I already have makeup on. And it leaves your skin very soft and smooth. And I just real quick put a little bit of my foundation over. And it does blur and blend nicely. So I will give that a try. I've heard of Number 7, but I have never tried anything from them. And I've been wanting to try a few items. And that was the reason why I ordered this box from Soap and Glory. And this is their face soap and clarity. This is vitamin C. This is a facial wash. And let's we'll just squeeze a little bit out. So it's just I'll show you. So it's just, you know, like a gel consistency. And I'm assuming it would lather up. Yeah, there it goes. It lathers up for a nice face wash. So that's where I had the other product. So the foundation and the primer. So that's good. Now we'll take that off. And the next thing in here is also from Soap and Glory. And this is called Flake Away. And this is a body polish. And I've seen this in the stores and wanted to try this also. And when you open this up, this is, you know, obviously like a scrub. Has a nice scent to it. Not real strong or anything like that. And, you know, you get a decent size. And this is 1.69 ounces or 50 ml. So that's good because I wanted to try a few of their products. So now I have 2 of them. And I've seen Number 7. So we'll have that. And then the last product you got in here is from Sleek. And it's an eyeshadow palette. And I've heard of Sleek. I think most of us have. Let's take this out. And the name on this palette is When the Sun Goes Down. It's not easy to get out. These small boxes. This is what it looks like. Small, cute, little, sleek. It's a small little compact. Comes with a mirror, as you can see. So we will So here are the shades that you get, and these are all neutrals. And these pans are very small, but this, you could, that's nice. I'm just trying a few of the colors here, just to see. I mean, the pans are very small. I mean, I can get my finger in them, so. Okay, so I tried, just so you know, this color here and this color, and I swatched them. So there they are on my finger, and here they are on my arm. So you can see them. Let's try maybe one of the mattes and see. There's a couple mattes, which is good to be able to have some darks for a transition shade. And they're actually going on very, very nice. So I tried, just trying to cover up the mirror, this color right here. And that's the very first one. I mean, they are not, and here it is on my finger. I mean, they are not, they are going on very smooth. I mean, they feel nice in the palette. So that would be a great for going away for a weekend. I mean, you could even use this going away for the week if you want to stay all matte. I mean, all neutrals and nudes. There are some shimmers, some glitters, and there are a few. One, two, I think there's 2 mattes. So you could use them for your transition shades. So I think you could do a very nice look with that. That's a cute little palette from Sleek, which is great to throw in your bag or to use for a week vacation or a weekend, or even just to keep in your bag for touch-ups, or if you're going, you know, from work to evening and you want to touch up your makeup or take it from work to an evening look, you could do that. So once again, this is from Target, and these are their holiday boxes, and that is the Get the Royal Treatment, and this is the Best of Boots beauty box. And it was $9.99 with a value of over $24. And you receive 5 products. And they are, you know, deluxe sample size products. Or, you know, the one serum, I would say, is just a sample. And these 2, and this might be a deluxe sample. There's quite a bit in that tube. So I'm very happy with that. Like I said, I wanted to basically try the number 7 and the Soap and Glory. And I have palettes from Sleek. But that one actually is very, very nice. Surprised. And that would be my video for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and have a good day. Bye.